Good morning, everyone. So, welcome you all to Gold Market Analyze for 14th April 2026. So, in this video, we are going to analyze gold market for today. What are the fundamental prediction and what are the technical prediction with the price actions. So, market started with the kind of bullish side, buy side gap in the morning. So, yesterday market has closed around 4,740, but opened around 4,746. But there was a key level in my analyze, so I have got sell entry from this level, keeping 100 pips SL and 1 to 2 win rate. So at the moment, I have break even this trade because in order to minimize my risk. So after that, when it's come to the daily chart, let's analyze from the daily chart. In the daily chart, we can clearly see some kind of small correction, strong correction in the market because last few weeks, last few months, we had war tension and almost all the investors went to the crude oil. But now, with the ceasefires, with the discussions, and with the neutralization of this war situation, now market market is trying to recover a bit, but still we are in sell position. The main sell area is 5050 level, but we'll have to enter get some trade between that levels. So when it come to 1 hour chart, so early morning I have entered into the trade. So the reason for that is this order block, and there's a very nice candle rejection also from here. That's why I entered from this level. So I'm expecting this to come 200 pips, but at the moment I have a break even my trade, so I'm not in the risky situation. So other than that, so when it's come to other good levels, so we have a very strong liquidity on this area in 1 hour chart until up to 4,843. This is a very there's a very strong liquidity pool in buy side, as well as there's another very strong liquidity pool in sell side between 5,000 4,500 to 4,300. This is a very strong liquidity pool and from upside and the downside. So I think market might come up to grab this liquidity, and after that market will go down to the grab other liquidity also. So when it's come to 4 hour chart, let's analyze that also. So we have a very strong uh, cage of character break of structure to internal break of structure to sell side, and other than that, so we have to stay on sell side because of this change of tractor. So if market break this 4,789 level, so we have 50% of confirmation for the buy entries. But if market break, if any 4 hour candle close above 4,818, we can go for a buy positions when market trying to retrace. So other than that, if we go to the Dixie chart, US dollar index, so we can see the US dollar index showing some kind of strong rejection from my key level. So today also market opened from the strong level. Like yesterday evening, in New York session, we can see market break this key level, which means with these factors, because last Friday we got very worst economic data, with that market showing some bearish movement. So if market showing bearish movement means we can expect some buy movement in gold as well. So if I go to the crude oil, because these days we must have to check about the crude oil. The reason for that is market trying to move, because most of investors going for the crude oils as well. So can I move this? Right, when it's come to Brent crude oil, we can see strong buy gap yesterday, but now with the war neutralization, with the now we can see there are no any fires, but there are some conflicts in Hormuz. There are some ships blocked all the things, but with that we can expect some buy movement, but not strong buy movement until we get some kind of good fundamental news. So other than that, when it's come to uh, economic calendar, so 14th April Tuesday we have core PPI and PPI month on month, and in the evening we have in 9:40 Sri Lanka Asian time. We have very strong news from FOMC members, Goolsbee, Baskin, Collins, and Paulson. So those are the key FOMC members. So we'll have to wait that as well. So other than that, if you go to the sentiment, in this sentiment we can see uh, at the moment 59% of traders are in buy positions and 41% traders are in sell positions, which means market might grab more liquidity. So if we go to the gold market again, if I show you my yesterday entries, so you can see here from this level, from this order block I have entered into the trade from 4,725. So I grabbed beautiful 200 pips profit within the day. So other than that, I have waited because in my strategy, so I'm waiting until market show the breakup structure. I think you have watched my that strategy video. So if you haven't watched it, please make sure to watch it and get some understanding. Then you can get proper understanding how to trade on this 1 hour chart. So first I have waited until market break this level, show change of structure in this in this area, from this area, but unfortunately market haven't shown, just only the week. But I haven't this was not my confirmation. Then I waited for the sell side also. Still we got only the week from here. Then only confirmation I got from here. So market show rejection from this level, and we had beautiful order block also. So from here already market ran for 120 pips, 130 pips, but I'm still waiting to grab more profit. Let's see, market is not sure at the moment, so can show some buy movement because there are a lot of liquidities on this area, as well as the sell side also. So other than that, if market break this level, so there are no considerable areas to get sell positions. So if we want to get any sell positions, so then we'll have to wait until kind of this level. 4,987 is a good strong level. Other than that, uh, yeah, other than that, we'll have to wait 5,050 level. That's the one of the most strong area, 5,050, and area like that. So I'm still expecting from here we'll get some strong retracement because internally we saw very strong change of tractor. But in the evening there might be huge market impact. So if you go to the fundamental news, so we have US eyes potential second round in-person talk with Iran as blockade takes hold, which means Trump threatened to blow up Iran's boast approaching US blockade. So there are some conflicts, but uh, something good for especially for everyone in the world. So USI potential second round of in-person talk. So they are going to talk about the ceasefire. So which means this will make some good impact to especially all the people in the world, because of this crude oil issue, or we can see huge inflation in everywhere in the world. So hope this will get sorted very soon. So other thing is, if market break this 4,775 level, don't try to sell around this area. Wait until market grab the liquidity from this area, because from here you can see in this level, from this level we have liquidity, this level we have liquidity, and here also we have liquidity, here we have liquidity, and here. So these are very strong liquidity area. So market need to come and grab this value, this money, in order to grab other, so from downside. So let's see what will happen. So if market show some good movements in after this FOMC member speech, so we can go for the some kind of strong trade during the evening. So that's what about the gold market analyze. So let's meet up tomorrow. Until that, thank you very much and stay safe.